Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, due to cold, snowy weather, we were unable to actually get out and explore this province. However, I have been doing this for a few years now and have seen several small towns in Alberta, and it's always a little sad when we pull into a community and find some old derelict buildings. But Alberta's harsh winters and changing economic landscapes have left behind a trail of abandoned structures, each with its own story to tell. As we navigate through these forgotten relics, it is impossible not to feel a sense of melancholy. These buildings were once homes and businesses, but now stand silent and empty, reclaimed by nature. Despite their dilapidated state, there is a certain allure to these abandoned structures. They serve as reminders of the past, offering glimpses into a bygone era. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.